Hi everyone! As usual, I will start with my last two paintings. You can already see this is with the Arteza Metallics. Check it out! It's way cool. Ah! Reminds me of snakeskin. So I do like the way those metallics work. Alright, and then this is the IKEA mirror. So I will be resining this. Oh, it just occurred to me. If I put hooks in these, I'm going to have to put them in before I resin, or else the holes will get clogged with resin. So anywho, right now it looks like a woman with some crazy red hair. Looks kind of like a rock star. So I guess my resin on that will need to wait until I figure out what exactly I am making with it. Today I'm going to do a swipe. I could not sleep at all last night. So when I can't sleep, I always think about painting ideas. Hang on, I gotta get a drink of water. And this was one of them. But for exactness, I thought, because I found all these little bottles that I had bought for alcohol inks, so I put white paint and spot on treadmill silicone in here, and it's just got a fine needle tip. So I will show you what I will be doing with that. Once I get gloves on. Alrighty. So the colors I'm using are Pearl Electric Blue, Pearl Lime Green, Deep Yellow, and Phthalo Blue, all Arteza. I almost always use a red when I swipe, and then my swipes end up quite pink. And I decided I want no pink whatsoever in there, so I'm not using red. So this is a 12 by 12 canvas. Oh shoot! Oh my god. Oops. When you shake your paint, make sure to cap it. Yikes. This is my white paint. I've got a bunch of new paint mixing videos, so if you just look back a few days, you will find them. Oh my gosh, I sure made a mess with that. There we go. Just gonna flood the canvas with the white. So I've switched up, so I have mornings free generally now. And so I've been taking my dog walking every day. And as some of you may know, if you follow me long enough, I have bad back issues. And I've been noticing on the walks, it's like the first half of the walk, I can barely stand up straight when she poops, and I have to bend down and get it. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. And then by the end of the walk, I'm feeling quite a bit better. And I think maybe if I could spend the entire day walking, my back wouldn't bother me. No sitting or standing, just constant walking, because walking seems to be the only thing that makes it feel better. Which thankfully, because you want to keep mobility, so I'm thankful for that. Torch is over here. Hang on. I'm just going to torch out the air bubbles. decide I'm going to like have a line and, well, wait, maybe, yeah, that's good too. I'm gonna shake these up. This, pipette, I had to think of the word. And now for the Pearl Electric Blue. And the lime green. The yellow is disappearing underneath the white. It shouldn't matter though. Now phthalo blue, which will probably take over the majority of the painting because it's so dark. But that's okay. I like the color. And now I'm going to attempt to use this like in. This was the idea that got me while I was trying to sleep. I'm not getting all of them because I don't think they all need to have it. Well, I changed my mind. I realized there is only a drop of silicone in this, and I'm only putting a drop on here. So I just heard a drawer open upstairs. The only person home is me and my dog. Even gonna look. Just gonna hope it's not a thief. Alright. No idea what's going on up there. I didn't hear her bark, so I'm not too concerned. So the results are a lot subtler than I thought. It must have been quite light right there with color. I'm actually going to see if I do it. There, I like that better. Yeah, that's pretty. I like the colors. And no pink at all, yay! The white is just gonna keep popping through. I will give you a close-up, and then I'm going to investigate what is going on upstairs and if my dog learned how to open a kitchen counter. It sounded like she may have gotten somewhere that she was not supposed to be, and that was the noise and it scared her. But we shall find out. So it's a very subtle swipe. Peaceful. So these are just going to keep popping up. Those divots right there will fill in. They're just from the silicone. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.